Welcome to the video review of the Dynamic Flash for Marketers module. The module was taken from the NiCam demo site and made self-sustainable in order to work on any site beyond the NiCam site. The module is now more dynamic in the way that you can add more images to the Flash rotator, and in the page editor you can edit the text and click the buttons to select what image you want to edit as well as the text. There's also an extensive list of settings that you can configure for the Flash file that I will show you when going through the steps of setting up the Dynamic Flash module. When you have installed the package, you will also get a folder containing a Flash example so that you, without doing any configuration yourself, can in the page designer add the Flash control pointed to the Flash example folder, and you should have a working Dynamic Flash module. Let's have a look at how the example is constructed. It contains a parent item of the template Flash object. This is where we have the Flash file as well as the long list of settings that you can set. You can read the documentation on the module's project room, where you can find all the settings described. Then by right clicking the Flash object, we hit insert, and then we can create an item from the Flash image template, and that will then give us something like this. We have the header text, subheader text, link, and of course the image that we want to display. Now go to the site and enter the design mode, the page designer, and for the placeholder we will add the Flash rendering, but seeing that we already have one, let's just stick with the one we got. So basically this is what we will get. So let's try going to the edit. Here you can see that while hovering over the header, the text is now at all. So now we can edit all the text. The same goes for the subheader. Save. There we go. And we can iterate between all our images by clicking the button. And if you want to learn more about the ShareSource modules available from the ShareSource library, you can visit the index page where you can see the 5 latest added modules as well as the entire list under different categories. View the product rooms for each module where you can read the documentation and download the package as well as the source. You can also visit the project room for the Dynamic Flash for Marketers module by using the direct link, which contains a thorough documentation as well as the package, so you can have the same functionality as seen on the NiCam demo site. If you want to contact the ShareSource coordinator, you can do so by using this email address. This was the video review of the Dynamic Flash for Marketers module from the Sitecore ShareSource library.